songs. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. They said were happy times and not so long ago. How I wondered where they gone. But they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa still shines. Every shingling-a-ling that the starting to sing so fine. When they get to the part where he's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more.